guys, it's Heather with One Organized Mom. Today we're going to talk about stripping your laundry, and not that kind of stripping. Okay, so maybe there's going to be a little dirty talk involved. Why do we want to strip our linens? If you're using a softener in your washing machine, it builds up a lot of layers on your linens. If you're using too much soap in your washing machine, it builds up on your linens. Even our natural body oils builds up on our linens. So stripping is removing all the buildup and the chemicals from your fabrics. Stripping works best with whites, lights, towels. You're going to fill up your bathtub with hot water. Once the tub is full, you're gonna add 1/4 cup of borax, 1/4 cup of washing soda. I know it sounds crazy, washing soda. Who's ever heard of it? But I promise you it's been around for so many years. It's on the bottom shelf at your store. Then you're gonna add 1/4 cup of any powdered detergent. I like to use Tide. Next, you're gonna add the linens that you wanna strip. Take something like a mop handle and swish your linens around just for a little bit so everything is completely soaked in the solution. You're gonna soak the items in the water until it reaches room temperature. This usually takes about 4 hours. Drain that yucky water, wring out the items. Now this is one thing they forget to tell you. It's gonna make a mess. Wring it out, put it in a bucket, transfer it to your washer, and then wash as directed as you normally would.